show you some resources. So I pulled up Glassdoor, Indeed, ZipRecruiter, conveniently placed on the employment prep, because again, you may need to go shopping more than once. But in Glassdoor, let's show you. So Glassdoor is a good space to look at, your community, what's being offered, what's available, jobs in your area, different companies you can work for, and the kinds of salaries you can expect. So if you are on the job market, is it going to load? Are we going to have trouble today? No, yay. Okay. So I'm just going to put in So it looks like my speaker is going to pick up everything I say today. Is that what we're going to do? I guess so. All right. So in your area, you can put in insurance sales, the zip code, and it's going to show you a list of just different companies that are offering life insurance, remote, different kinds, 100% remote, sales representative. You can put in specific property and casualty. You can put in health insurance if you're on the health side. Okay, so I'm just doing a quick overview. As insurance agents, we certainly have to get familiar with doing research, but Glassdoor is one. It is a go-to, most certainly. And then Indeed, also easy to navigate. Same concept. You put in your job title, your area, licensed insurance producer. Some of these are going to duplicate. You'll see them on Glassdoor. You'll see them on Indeed. Okay. So you can look here. If you're just seeing a ton of stuff that just doesn't sound right? Who is this company? This is a quick copy, paste, throw it into your browser. Do some research on companies. There are thousands of insurance companies. So sometimes I see posts in the Facebook group, has anyone worked with such and such company? You can certainly do that. However, I like to use my search bar. I'll get more accurate information. Look, Patio Furniture is hiring for a sales rep. This has nothing to do with insurance, but Indeed likes you to keep scrolling for sure. Okay, and then ZipRecruiter. I like this one. It's kind of fun. I'm Phil, your career advisor. How fun is that? So let's say we're looking for a job. Okay, please help me find it. Job title. It's okay. All right. Let's say remote. Let's say remote. Go anywhere in the US. Ooh, how much do we want to make? Yeah, let's say that. We don't want to narrow down too much. Licensed insurance agent, life remote, health insurance. Okay. We may want to fine tune our search. Here we go, sales agent, select quote. So if you have not heard of select quote before, they also offer opportunities to buy leads. Okay. So they may have some different opportunities in here. We're going to Google that because I like that number. I like 200,000 a year. We're going to do a little research. Okay. But you get the gist of this. You can keep scrolling. So there are 3 resources here. I'm going to pop. Okay. Those things are not working for me. I am not finding what I need, right? You're just like, this is garbage. There are no descriptions here. Guess what? You can always go to Google Maps. You can type in insurance agents in your area. Phoenix. I just popped in Phoenix. And you can go through these guys. First thing I'm going to look at, how are our reviews? Looks like we got a clean record, right? I want to see what are customers saying about this agency. Okay. When I have found, and you can do this in multiple places, but you want to make sure, because your next move is to call them. Just ask them if they're hiring, because as a matter of fact, they're posting on ZipRecruiter, Glassdoor, and Indeed, and it is harder for them to find people than you could possibly imagine. And it costs money for them to post these things. So you're actually helping an agent out. This is an industry that is super high turnover. 90% of new agents fail. Probably within the last 12 months has been looking for someone. More than likely. So just make sure you're looking at your reviews. The more the merrier. There's a little pun there. But I hope that helps for people who are seeking employment, not sure where to look, and just need a little help. Now, beyond that, if you need help with interview questions, we do have the wheel of interview questions. So I've got 30 days posted up on TikTok if you need practice. And then for more on that, of course, we have the package employment in the industry. But I wanted to go through the breakdown on where to find your agency. And remember to interview them as much as they're interviewing you. You are an asset to any company. You have a license, it's hard to pass that exam. So I hope this helps.
Thank you all for watching this here video.